Imagine holding a phone that's supposed to dazzle with its design, but instead it feels like a gray cloud on a sunny day. That's the controversy surrounding the leaked blue variant of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Yes, the blue. Or, should we call it gray? This is not the vibrant, bold hue you'd expect. It's muted, subdued, and more professional than playful. If you were hoping for a color that stands out, this might not be it. The smartphone world has been trending toward these understated shades recently, especially for high-end models. It's all about sleekness and sophistication, but sometimes you just want a device that adds a little spark to your day. The Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus managed to strike a balance, offering a blue that still feels like, well, blue. But when it comes to the S25 Ultra, the leaked image from a reliable industry tipster shows something closer to a stormy gray than a clear sky. Color choices aside, let's not forget what makes the S25 Ultra a true head-turner: its raw power. Beneath that grayish-blue exterior lies a beast of a phone. The Snapdragon 8 Elite Generation 2 chipset leads the charge, paired with an impressive 16 gigabytes of RAM. This combination isn't just fast, it's cutting edge. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or diving into heavy applications, this device promises seamless performance. It's the kind of power that doesn't just meet expectations, it redefines them. There's also something nostalgic about the S25 Ultra's design. Samsung is bringing back rounded edges, a look that feels more approachable and, dare I say, fun. Typically, rounded edges evoke a sense of vibrancy, of phones that come alive in your hand. Yet the muted palette here seems at odds with that energy. It's almost as if Samsung is playing it safe, appealing to a broader, more professional audience. But let's shift focus to what could truly set the S25 Ultra apart: its AI capabilities. Rumors are swirling about Samsung's plans to unveil a groundbreaking Bixby assistant powered by advanced large language models. This could be a defining moment. Apple recently introduced its Apple Intelligence feature with the iPhone 16, but has struggled to deliver on its promises. With iOS 18.2, Apple's eye remains incomplete and inconsistent, leaving the door wide open for Samsung to step in and claim the crown. Imagine an eye assistant that not only understands you but anticipates your needs, weaving seamlessly into your daily life. If Samsung pulls this off, it could be the ultimate game changer, a feature that not only outshines competitors but redefines what we expect from our smartphones. However, it's not all sunshine and breakthroughs for the S25 Ultra. The elephant in the room is the price. Samsung's continued reliance on Qualcomm's Snapdragon processors keeps production costs high. While there's talk of eventually returning to in-house Exynos chips, a transition isn't happening fast enough to impact the S25 Ultra. As a result, the phone risks being priced beyond what many consumers are willing or able to pay. This tension between innovation and cost creates an interesting dynamic. On one hand, the Galaxy S25 Ultra offers unmatched performance and potential. On the other, it faces the harsh reality of competing in a market where affordability often dictates success. Even the most groundbreaking features can struggle to find an audience if the price tag feels out of reach. In a way, the S25 Ultra is a reflection of its color palette. It's complex, intriguing, and maybe a little polarizing. For some, the muted blue will feel like the epitome of elegance. For others, it will be a missed opportunity to bring a little joy and individuality back into smartphone design. But make no mistake, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is more than its color. It's a statement, a powerhouse, and a potential disruptor in an industry that thrives on constant reinvention. Whether it's the AI-powered Bixby, the lightning-fast performance, or the nostalgia of rounded edges, this phone is designed to make waves. As the launch date inches closer, all eyes are on Samsung. Will the S25 Ultra deliver on its promises, or will it be overshadowed by its competition? The answer lies just around the corner, and one thing is certain: this phone isn't going unnoticed. Stay tuned because the S25 Ultra story is just beginning. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra is one of the most highly anticipated flagship smartphones of 2025. With its expected release just a few months away, this device promises to refine Samsung's already stellar reputation in the world of premium Android smartphones. In today's video, we'll dive deep into everything we know so far about the Galaxy S25 Ultra, from its release date expectations and price estimates to design changes, hardware upgrades, and much more. So stick around as we explore why this device could be a game changer in the smartphone world. Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy S25 Ultra in early 2025, likely in January or February. The company has a consistent track record of launching its flagship series at the beginning of the year, and this trend seems to continue. Rumors suggest that the Unpacked event for the Galaxy S25 series could occur on January 22, 2025, which aligns with Samsung's past patterns. This date makes sense as it allows the brand to capitalize on post-holiday enthusiasm while steering clear of the CES 2025 event, which runs from January 7 to 11. If this timeline holds, the device could hit store shelves by the first week of February. However, there's another twist in the story. A rumored new addition, the Galaxy S25 Slim, might join the lineup. This ultra-thin model could either launch alongside the S25 Ultra or arrive later in April or May. Pricing for the Galaxy S25 Ultra is another hot topic. The Galaxy S24 Ultra saw a price hike earlier this year, but will Samsung dare to increase prices again? Reports suggest the 256GB base model of the Galaxy S25 Ultra could start at $1,299 with the 512GB and 1TB options priced at $1,419 and $1,659 respectively. These are the same prices as the current S24 Ultra lineup, but there's a catch. If Samsung faces challenges with its 3M production yields, this could drive up costs, potentially affecting the final price. Fortunately, Samsung typically offers multiple ways to save. Expect trade-in deals and carrier discounts to make upgrading more affordable. For instance, current offers like Verizon's $800 discount with specific plans or Samsung's trade-in credits up to $750 could extend to the S25 Ultra. So if you're planning to upgrade, keep an eye out for these deals. Now let's talk about design. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to maintain its premium titanium frame, first introduced with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. However, there's a significant tweak: rounded edges. This design shift is expected to give the S25 Ultra a sleeker, more ergonomic feel, reminiscent of the iconic Galaxy Note series. Leaked renders also hint at a rounded back with a straighter front, creating a subtle asymmetry for a fresh look. The dimensions are expected to measure 162.82 x 77.65 x 8.25 millimeters, making it slightly thinner and narrower, but a touch taller than its predecessor. Additionally, the phone will feature Corning's glare-free glass, further enhancing its durability and aesthetics. When it comes to color options, leaks point to 4 stunning shades: titanium black, titanium blue, titanium gray, titanium silver. Each color exudes elegance and continues Samsung's tradition of offering premium finishes. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is likely to retain its 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X panel, which has become a hallmark of Samsung's flagship series. This display will likely support a 1 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, ensuring buttery smooth visuals whether you're gaming or scrolling. One area where we hope to see an improvement is maximum brightness. Samsung could enhance outdoor visibility by boosting the peak brightness beyond the current standards. This would be a welcome upgrade for users who frequently use their phones in bright environments. Cameras are always a highlight of Samsung's Ultra models, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra is no exception. According to trusted leaks, the device will feature a quad-camera setup with the following specifications: 200-megapixel primary sensor, Samsung ISOCELL HP2, 10-megapixel telephoto camera, 3x optical zoom, 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, 5x optical zoom, 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, Samsung ISOCELL JN3. While the primary telephoto and periscope lenses appear unchanged from the S24 Ultra, the new 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor promises significant improvements. The addition of this sensor is expected to enhance wide-angle photography and low-light performance. Eye-driven enhancements will also play a crucial role. Samsung has been investing heavily in artificial intelligence for its camera systems, and we anticipate further improvements in image stabilization, portrait modes, and night photography. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to feature Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, promising lightning-fast performance. This chip will likely be paired with 12GB of RAM in the base model, with a 16GB RAM variant also rumored. In terms of storage, the S25 Ultra might debut Samsung's latest UFS 4.0 4-lane storage technology, offering nearly 8GB/sec speeds, doubling the performance of current UFS 4.0 standards. This upgrade will significantly enhance app loading times, multitasking, and overall efficiency. Battery performance is another crucial factor. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to pack a 5000 mAh battery similar to its predecessor. While a larger battery isn't likely due to space constraints, Samsung could improve battery optimization for longer usage. Charging speeds, however, remain a question mark. While the device is rumored to stick with 45-watt wired charging, we're hopeful for faster charging technology to compete with other brands offering 100-watt or higher speeds. On the software side, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will likely launch with One UI 7.1 based on Android 15. This iteration of One UI is expected to bring new customization options, improved multitasking features, and tighter Galaxy AI integration. Samsung's focus on privacy and security will also take center stage, ensuring users have greater control over their data. Expect enhancements like better app permissions, on-device AI processing, and secure file sharing. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be an impressive device, combining top-tier hardware, refined design, and cutting-edge software. If you're currently using an older model like the Galaxy S22 or S23, the S25 Ultra could be a worthy upgrade. However, if you already own the S24 Ultra, the differences may not be groundbreaking enough to warrant a switch unless you're drawn to specific features like the new ultra-wide camera or the sleek, rounded design. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra represents the pinnacle of what Samsung aims to achieve in smartphone innovation. With its refined design, improved camera systems, and powerful hardware, this device is set to compete with the best in the industry. Are you excited about the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest smartphones. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.